Hi, Jenny here. Happy 4th of July, or Happy Independence Day for the United States. As you see, they broke out my red, white, and blue flag shirt. Gotta wear that as often as I can. And funny thing is, I also have some flag pants. I can't really see them. But I noticed this morning as I put on my outfit that the stars on the pants match the star side, and then my stripes match the stripe side. And these were bought independently. I've had this shirt since, before 2003. I have a picture on my dresser of the family, 4th of July, and I'm wearing this shirt holding my youngest daughter, so. And the pants my husband got for some occasions, so. But gotta break them out for these occasions. So anyways, for the 4th of July, today we are going to make a flag pizza, fruit pizza. So let's get started. Obviously this fruit pizza can be made with any type of fruit that you want. Being a flag pizza, we are going to use blueberries and strawberries. And if you like, you can also use some bananas for in between. And if you're going to use bananas, it's suggested you use some lemon juice so that keeps the bananas from turning brown. We're also going to use some cookie dough. I bought chocolate chip cookie dough. They didn't have any of the plain sugar cookie dough in the store. Preferable to use sugar cookie dough, but heck, chocolate goes with fruit, so we're going to do that. You can also make your own cookie dough. 2 cream cheeses. Make sure your cream cheese and your cookie dough have been sitting out for a little while so they're room temperature, so they're nice and soft to work with. And we're going to need a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons actually, of vanilla and 1 cup of sugar. First we are going to work with the cookie dough. We need to get this pressed into a pan, cookie sheet, or you could use a round sheet. And we want to get this cooked, and it needs to cool before we can put on our cream cheese frosting and the fruit. So we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees and we'll get the cookie dough spread out. Okay, for 1 roll of cookie dough, it took up some of the pan. Granted, it's going to expand a little bit when it cooks, but it's not going to fill the pan. So I guess I needed 2 cookie doughs. I wasn't thinking, I was at the store thinking what I was going to make, and I just happened to grab 1. But I'll put that in the recipe, though. I suggest that you use 2 cookie doughs. But we will bake this up and we'll go from there. 1 sleeve of cookie dough filled about half the pan. I don't want to fill more of the pan, so my husband nicely ran out and bought another one. We'll see how room temperature it is. We can mix it in with that. I might have to mix it all together so it all cooks at the same rate. Or we'll just fill in the outside with the other part of the cookie dough, because we would like a nice full pan. I'm just going to roll this all together and re-roll it out. It's gonna be one big cookie. Alright, so there we go. We filled the whole pan up now with the cookie. We're going to bake that in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes, just until it looks completely done. While our crust is cooking, we're going to mix up our cream cheese frosting layer. So again, we have our 2 cream cheeses, which are at room temperature, and then we're going to have 1 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, it was just shy of the vanilla, so I have another container that I will pour a little bit more in. I don't know if you can have too much vanilla. Vanilla tastes pretty good. We are going to rinse our strawberries and our blueberries, and then we'll let them drain and dry off, and we'll probably pat them dry with some paper towel so that they'll be all ready for our topping. We will cut our strawberries into slices. So you can cut them into round slices if you'd like, or cut them in the side slices so they're more of like a triangle shape. I'm gonna try round today because I'm gonna be going with bananas and those are gonna be round, so they'll kind of match. So it looks like it needs another minute or two. The edges are finally getting done, but the middle is soft. Oh yeah. There we go. That cookie is done. So now we're going to let it completely cool, and then we will frost it with our cream cheese frosting and put our fruit on. We will also cut up our bananas, and then we're going to coat them in the lemon juice to hopefully prevent them from turning brown. So one of the videos I saw, they cut them up like right in the peel. Oh, can we do that? We will coat our bananas in the lemon juice. Measure if you want. We'll start with a tablespoon. Time to put the cream cheese frosting on the cookie. Yummy! Alright, now we will lay out the fruit on here to make it look like a flag. Start with the blueberries in the corner. And there you have it, the finished product. Pretty cute. Now we will eat it. Just for the heck of it, let's see how this cuts up. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever made a fruit pizza before. and what you think of it. Do you like it? Is that a good type of a dessert? Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful 4th of July weekend and that you stay safe, celebrate wonderfully, have fun. I hope your animals all stay safe and don't get too stressed out. We're fortunate enough that our 2 dogs weren't bothered at all by the fireworks, so, but we have neighbors whose dogs are, so I always think about them during this time. The fireworks are being let off for weeks in advance and all that too. But you guys, keep it positive, go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, that is so good. Yummy. And one for the floor. I don't even know why I bother with the spatula, because really you can't get it all off. So you kind of gotta use your fingers anyways. Is there anybody out there that doesn't use their fingers? Inquiring minds want to know.